was incredible, sir! Bam! Pow! Kaboom! And then you had that awesome one-liner! What was that again?
Oh, yes. One hypersonic brainwave scrambler scrambled.
Oh, yeah! That was cool!
Here we
Come on,
are.
orientation room's this way.
So we can go to other sectors by using this section or sector, whatever. But I'm not going to do that because I don't
Just use
think.
your helipad, sir. What do they say? Never put off today what you've already done yesterday. No, that's not right. Always do today what you didn't put off yesterday. Nope, that wasn't it either. Yeah, well, it was something about doing stuff when it should be done. This way, sir.
Boom.
Oh, great! More terror tropes! I'll get the door. You take them out with the chrono set. There's one behind you! Got it! Let's go, sir!
Let's fix some things.
Initiating auto repair sequence on Vision Stream
Yay,
Tango.
text message.
Sigmund, why am I not affected by altered time?
That's your quantum actuator at work. It provides temporal immunity for those of us who protect time.
Temporal recording initiated.
Okay, Carlos.
Temporal recording initiated.
I know. He's mad because, well,
Temporal recording initiated.
he paid me for ordering Resident Evil 6 Special Edition. I think it has a
This way.
steel case or whatever, but it still didn't
This
arrive.
is the most awesomest part of the clock. Large screen Crystal X display. VG 9800 game system. The works. Take a seat, sir. Orientation video is about to start. Dun da da da! Orvis Industries presents The Great Clock and You with your host, Orvis.
Hello! And, oh, is it on? Sigmund, the light is blinking. Should it be blinking?
Nah. Hold on, sir. Okay, try now.
Hello, and welcome to the Great Clock. You're here because you've been selected to join our team. And we couldn't be happier to have you. We have a lot to discuss. But first, let's take a look at what the Great Clock is. Eons ago, our kind entrusted the Fongoids with a special gift. The gift of time travel. We had hoped it would enrich their lives as it did ours. But unfortunately...
They loused it up.
Sigmund, let's just say they were overzealous in its use. After only 3,000 short years, the Fongoids' use of time travel wore the space-time continuum thin. Paradoxes stacked on top of paradoxes, conundrums on top of conundrums, until one day, a tiny rift in the continuum destroyed 83 celestial entities. Existence, it seemed, was at an end. If the universe was to survive, it would need a heart transplant. So, I designed a special gift to repair the damage. The Great Clock. Built in the exact center of the universe, give or take 50 feet. The clock would repair the rift and restore temporal normality to the universe. And that, my son, is where you come in. There are only 2 rules concerning the operation of the Great Clock. Number 1, under no circumstances is it to be used as a time machine. The clock is not meant to alter time, only to keep it. Number 2, should you find yourself wanting to use the clock as a time machine, consult rule number 1. Did you hear that, Sigmund? Because rule number 1, you see, says don't do it.
Brilliant, sir.
All right. Let's go have some tea.
Incredible. The great clock is responsible for temporal stability across the universe?
Now you know why Orvis kept it such a secret. Without this station, the universe would just collapse on itself.
And where is the real
Yeah, I get it.
I told you. It's a secret. Now, come on. It's time for another lesson.
Hello, XJ0461. It's good to see you again. And now it's time for your most important lesson.
What am I learning this time?
The clock's primary function is to maintain temporal normality. When that normality is threatened, you must act to repair it immediately.
Anomalies detected on Creely Comet.
Ah, the Creely Comet. Beautiful, isn't it? But as you can see, it has fallen prey to temporal rifts. As caretaker, it's up to you to fix it. Go ahead, give it a try. Fix the rifts by focusing your chronoceptor's beam on each anomaly.
Time to fix time across the world.
You're doing quite well.
Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
Keep going. Just a few left.
Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1. Warning, rift seeker detected. Warning, rift seeker detected. Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2.
Excellent work, dear boy. Now come. There's one more thing I want to show you.
Okay, this was a failure. Didn't really want to use it that soon, but oh well.
When they fire at you, just swing your chronoceptor and give them a taste of their own medicine. Time reversal is also handy for rewinding anything your enemies throw at you. I hope you don't mind, but I borrowed these figments from your subconscious. All right, Figment, snap to it. You're a natural. Wonderful, wonderful. Good show. It very much reminds me of a sport I read about once called baseball. I am very proud of you, XJ0461. And now, you're ready for the task ahead. Go forth and fix time. Save the universe. When you're ready, my chamber will be waiting. Program terminated.
Welcome back, sir. Are you ready to repair time?
Ready as I will ever be, Sigmund. May I ask, what is the chamber?
Ah, the Orvis chamber. That's That's the main control hub of the entire facility. It's also the most secure. I've never been inside it myself, but I hear it has a master switch for the entire universe. This is one of our planet moons. Your first task as senior caretaker is to repair the damage caused by the doctor. Just meet me back here when you're finished.
Time anomalies detected on planet Quantos.
Okay, let's fix time on planet Quantos.
Quantum restoration initiated. Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1. Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1.
Nicely done.
I need to scratch my head.
Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1.
You're getting pretty good at this, sir.
Warning, rift seeker detected. Warning, rift seeker detected. Warning, rift seeker detected. Warning, rift seeker detected.
Where's the last one? Okay.
Temporal normality restored to planet Quantos.
That was amazing, sir.
Temporal recording initiated.
Wait. Let me think.
Temporal recording initiated.
Okay.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Okay. Let me repair this first because it's annoying me. And now time
Temporal recording initiated.
to end this.
Welders dispatched to primary chronosphere. All
Just going to
personnel
grab this
please
bolt
stand
here
clear.
and we're going to head back. Many of these things agglomerated, I don't know why, what for, but oh well. My bolts, thank you.
Failure detected in Versafuse 00173 gamma cooling.
Torrent.
Recommend replacement immediately. Quantum restoration initiated.
I like this
Temporal
power up.
rhythm inbound in 3, 2, 1. Temporal rhythm impact in 3, 2, 1. Warning. With temporal rhythm inbound in 3, 2, 1. Warning. Rift seeker detected.
Okay, it's done. I think there's one left.
Temporal normality restored to planet Dawn 4. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. All personnel, please stand clear.
Here you go, sir.
Junior caretaker to Solana Terminal 6. Repeat. Junior caretaker
I don't
to
know
Solana
how
Terminal
I
6.
wasn't hit. Ah, damn it, fail.
Hold on, sir. I'll get the door.
Temporal recording initiated.
Oh, thought that was a fail.
Temporal recording initiated.
Okay, this should be enough for that one.
Temporal recording initiated.
Yeah, right on schedule. Ah, fail. Damn it.
Temporal recording
Kind of forgot
initiated.
what. Screw that. I'm going to redo this.
Temporal recording
Going here.
initiated.
No.
Temporal recording initiated.
Oh wait. Fail. Yeah, I knew I had to do something else with the yellow, but I completely forgot.
Temporal recording initiated.
Now I can
Temporal
use the blue.
recording initiated.
Doesn't matter which one. Whoa, that was... Oh my god, I was pretty lucky. Open sesame. I think that was the skill point I was aiming for. If you kill two enemies with a single swing using a projectile. I don't think that's the correct way to get that skill point, but you can get it by reflecting two shots at the same time. Up there's the last planet, I think.
Is dispatched to primary chronosphere. All personnel, please stand clear.
Tarek, no. Oh damn it, why the hell did he attack those?
Quantum restoration initiated. Temporal weapon impact in 3, 2, 1. Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1. Temporal ribbon inbound in 3, 2, 1. Warning, wave speaker detected. Warning, wave speaker detected.
Did I touch one? That was fit.
Warning, wave speaker detected. Temporal normality restored to planet Terrachnos.
Oh, for crying out! I am the junior caretaker computer. Now open the door.
It would not hurt to say please once in a while. Accessing archives.
Hello, Sigmund. Just wanted to let you know I will be traveling to the Tombly outpost on Xanathar and will not be back until morning. A fellow scientist has requested an audience with me, and etiquette dictates I comply.
Don't go, sir.
Mind the clock while I'm gone. Wind the time cleaners, and, Sigmund, let's just keep this our little secret. As the kids say, BRB.
Please don't go.
End recording.
It's dangerous.
Poor Sigmund.
Now entering Quantos sector.
And we're at Quantos sector, but I'm going to stop recording now.
Warning. Hostile ships detected.
Well, well, well. What do we have here? Oh, looks like this Lombax is lost.
What do you say, girls? Should we help him find his way?
Cassie, we've picked up a signature 3,000 kilocubits north of Orak Minor. It's a Lombax ship.
General Azimuth. The bounty's up to 2 million bolts on him. Libra, be a good girl and take care of our friend. We'll kill the Elder.
Good luck. Well, I'm going to fight this boss.
We've got hostile ships inbound.
And after finding it, I'm going to stop recording. Stop shooting at me, bastard.
Show me what you got. Valkyrie, attack!
Copy that, Captain. Fusion cannons armed.
Where are the other ships? Oh, there they are. Okay. I was looking at them at the minimap. Kinda small there, so it's kinda hard to see them. Whoa, wait a minute. I'm almost dying and I didn't even notice. What? I died? Didn't remember their attacks did that much damage. Okay, must be careful
Jim,
then.
come in. You've got hostile ships inbound.
I see them. They're Valkyries. Expert pilots who work for Nefarious. I'll lose them in the asteroid belt. You just head for Lumos. Just you and me alone, Max. Show me what you got. Valkyrie, attack!
Copy that, Captain. Fusion cannons armed.
Okay, finally.
Captain is down. I repeat, Captain is down. All units, pull back to Orak Minor.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording now, and next time we're going to head into that planet. I don't really remember its name. So, see ya.